Every single day, organizations are breached, data is stolen, systems are locked, businesses shut down overnight. And in almost every case, the attack succeeded because someone didn't understand the fundamentals. Cybersecurity isn't just for hackers and security analysts. If you work in IT, if you manage systems, users, or networks, understanding these foundations is part of your job. In this series, we're covering the complete foundations of cybersecurity: the CIA Triad, the threat landscape, authentication, encryption, hashing and salting, defense in depth, least privilege, and zero trust. Everything you need to understand how cybersecurity actually works, from the ground up. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to IT Pro Guides. We've got new videos every week. Now let's get into it. At the core of cybersecurity stand three pillars. These are the foundations that every IT professional should know. Every single one of them. They are what protects data while keeping the business operating. They are a balancing act, because you cannot sacrifice one for another. And if one pillar falls, the whole house comes crumbling down. Those three pillars are confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This is the CIA Triad, and it is the foundation of every security decision ever made in IT. Let's start with confidentiality. Confidentiality is the property of ensuring that data is accessible only to those who are authorized to access it. When confidentiality is achieved, sensitive information, personal data, financial records, medical information, intellectual property, cannot be disclosed to unauthorized individuals. A confidentiality violation occurs whenever sensitive data is exposed to someone who should not have access to it. Controls that support achieving confidentiality include encryption, converting data into an unreadable format that can only be decoded with the correct key. Access controls, ensuring only authorized users can reach specific data or systems. Data classification, labeling data by sensitivity level so it's handled appropriately. And authentication, verifying that the person requesting access is who they claim to be. Now let's look at integrity. Integrity is the property of ensuring that data is accurate, complete, and hasn't been tampered with. When integrity is maintained, information cannot be modified without authorization. It's not just about protecting data from being seen, it's about protecting data from being modified. Integrity is maintained through hashing, which we will cover later in the series, digital signatures, checksums, and version control systems that track every change made to data. The goal of integrity is simple. When you receive data, you need to be able to trust that it hasn't been changed since it left the source. And finally, availability. Availability is the property of ensuring that systems, networks, and data are accessible to authorized users when they need them. It doesn't matter how much confidentiality you achieve or how perfectly you maintain integrity. If your systems are down, your business stops. Events and attacks that cause availability to fail include denial of service attacks, which flood systems with traffic until they collapse. Ransomware, which encrypts data and makes it inaccessible until a ransom is paid. Hardware failures, natural disasters, and simple misconfiguration. Controls and design principles that support availability include redundancy, having backup systems ready to take over, failover architecture, regular backups, disaster recovery planning, and load balancing, distributing traffic across multiple systems so no single point of failure can bring everything down. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. Every security decision you ever make will come back to keeping these three pillars standing. Let's recap what we covered today. At the core of cybersecurity stand three pillars, and every security decision you will ever make comes back to these three concepts. Confidentiality, ensuring that data is accessible only to those who are authorized to access it. When confidentiality is achieved, sensitive information stays protected from unauthorized disclosure. Integrity, ensuring that data is accurate, complete, and hasn't been tampered with. When integrity is maintained, you can trust that the data you receive is exactly what was sent. Availability, ensuring that systems, networks, and data are accessible to authorized users when they need them. When availability is ensured, your business keeps running. These three pillars, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, are the foundation of everything we are going to cover in this series. If you are studying for your CompTIA Security Plus exam and you want everything you need in one place, check out the IT Pro Guide Security Plus Study Guide. The link is in the description. It covers all 5 SY0701 exam domains, includes 3 full mock exams, and is designed to get you exam ready fast. In the next video, we are diving into the threat landscape, malware, social engineering, network attacks, and everything in between. You are not going to want to miss it. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to IT Pro Guide so you don't miss the next one in the Cybersecurity Foundation series. See you in the next video.